GSX. Thing's mint. So sick. Got an old Impala over here. I mean, all these guys' interiors are like hella fresh. I love this color too. This purple is insane. Love it, love it, love it. Got another GTO over here. This one's a little bit more tame, but I mean, the interior is like what, teal? You don't see those types of like colors in interiors nowadays. We got a good old SS right here. I mean, literally all their interiors are just so, they're so fire. I'm not gonna lie. It's so clean. I mean, look at this, bro.
Look at this motor on this thing.
Nah. Nah, I haven't seen one of these generation of Camaros like this clean in a fat minute. Good truck, big old Brembos. Hold up. Oh my. Oh my god. What? Nah. I don't like trucks, but like this, bro, this engine bay is insanely clean. Bro, this Camaro, oh my god. 350. Thing's clean. Right next to a C8 Corvette. He's got the Lambo doors on the C8. I mean, y'all already know how these interiors are. Y'all, I don't know what this is. Y'all put it in the comments down below. Shoot, I mean, it's clean. I have no idea what it is though. I'm not into like old cars like this, but super clean, super clean Mustang, Mach 1. I mean, this thing is insanely clean. Oh my. Oh my god. And y'all can read that for yourself. I ain't reading it. Y'all got it. Damn. This paint. Sheesh. Thing sounds so good. The boy's slammed. Stance boy. Say careful. This is so funny. A tile company, I guess. I don't know, but that boy's slammed. Another Mustang. This thing is super clean. Just like all the other ones. Shoot. Oh, that light? Yeah, what else do you don't need? Like, what else do you need?
Yeah, they running hard. Yeah, it ain't too bad. Back was way up.
One more Mustang to end it all off.
Alright, I'll be the owner tomorrow. Alright, sounds good.
Also a Mach 1. I mean, shoot, what else do y'all need? Like, man. The crazy part about all that is I was just going to the store about to go get something for myself, and really I saw the Corvette's Lambo doors and I was like, and then I saw the classic cars. I was like, oh shoot, wait, let me stop by real quick on my way. So I don't know, I just like low-key just ran into that meet. It was kind of cool though. Yeah, more content is coming though. Don't even worry about it.